everyone. Today on Hello Susan, I'd like to share some more ornaments that I made. These are so fun and so addictive. I hope you're having fun making ornaments too. So what I'm going to do is just go one by one. Since I've got it laid out here, we'll just start with the top ones. So this is a little 3-inch round. And that's what this, it's a little wooden unfinished piece. And so what I did was I got a piece of paper and I folded it 1/4 inch over and over again to make like an accordion type thing. See how you can see it's, is it going to focus? So you can see how it's a, well, it's not really wanting to focus, but there you go. Now you can see it better. So it's accordion going around. And I put red glitter glue around the edge so that it would sparkle. I do have this ribbon that I'm using so much this year, and it's a gold mesh, and I cut a disc of that and put that on there. Then I cut a little bird, then I put the word Merry and a bow, and then put a little hanger right here. And then on the back I did the red glitter, also the glitter glue, and then put a poinsettia. And where I got these words is I found this ribbon. It was at it was at Dollar Tree. And I saw all these words and I thought, oh, I wonder if I could cut those out and use them in my crafts this year. So that's where I got the words from. And I made a set of 6. And I mirrored the birds so that they're going each ways. But anyway, so I did a red bird. And I also did a blue bird, and they're all exactly the same except for the bird changes, and then the words are a little bit different. So that's the first one. Here's one that I did. It's another one of those domes. It's the flatter one. It's the shaker card dome, and it's got a girl, and I put glitter on her, and then I put a red applique. This is a part of the white garland that I bought. And I just cut a piece off, and I put a poinsettia and put a little piece of jewelry in there that's got a rhinestone in it. And of course I put the gimp trim all the way around the edges, and then I added this little butterfly. And it's got rhinestones on it. I did make 2 of those. The other one, here it is. The other one I actually put glitter inside it, so it is a shaker. And I decided I liked the picture better without that glitter in there, but I think it turned out very cute, and it's made exactly the same, except for it's just got different papers on the back. Okay, now this is a Silent Night. It's a digital of the song, and then the back has a different one. That's a O Come All Ye Faithful. And what I did to create this one is I printed out cardstock, and then I sandwiched it over a piece of cardboard so that it would get very sturdy. And then I inked around the edges with red ink. This is a pipe cleaner that I put around the edge all the way, and then added a bow and a little bit of pipe cleaner right there so that it would twinkle. And then I added 2 leaves and this poinsettia. And I got these Hobby Lobby. That's where I got those. So I made a pair of those. And this one is Jingle Bells and Hark the Herald Angels Sing. And then right here is where you attach a little hook to put it on your tree. And I just made 2 of those. Okay, and then the next one is mini journals. And what I did was I took 3 kits and I printed them out at 3x5 size. So it made the pages very small when you bend them. And I inked them up. I didn't do pockets and tags and all that, but I did go ahead and print the whole kit out and put it inside there. And then this has got red lace on the edges. This is an applique, and here's a little red ribbon flower with the rhinestone in the center. And this is the string sequins. And then on the back is some of that ribbon that's the mesh. And then you can see where I poked the hole so you can put your little hook through there. I didn't want to hinder the book from opening but I do want to be able to hang it on the tree. I think that's really cute. This is my teal Christmas. This is my shabby Christmas. And I just made 3 of them. That's an applique, and then the same thing. They pretty much are decorated the same as far as the backs and the lace and the appliques. And then the inside, this is the shabby Christmas digitals. I just think they turned out so sweet. And you actually could use them, I guess, if you want to write in, because there's plenty of places. And the third one is this one. And this is Christmas on the Farm, or Farm Christmas. Not real sure exactly what it's called right now, but I only have one that's about the farm on Christmas. And so here it's got all the little pages that come with the kit. And then I just printed on the back so that there was places for you to write. And plus it gave a decorative page. But isn't that cute? And then, like I said, here's a little hole right here so you to hook it through. Okay, so that's those 3. And then I made some shaker cards. And I did put all the stuff in there. So bear with me, because you know with the lights it gets a little bit shiny with the lights shining on it. But you can see that they shake, and there's lots of little snowflakes and glitter and other pieces. And this is an applique that's 3D with pearls. And then this has got some little rhinestones there. And it's got a little hanger here. And then the back I glittered just a piece of Christmas paper. And that's one. This is the second one. And it's a little snowman. And they're all decorated exactly the same too. It's got a little bit of red in there because it had red. Same backing. And this one. Aren't they pretty? And then you can see it shake. So that's fun, interactive. And then you can see the 3D flowers. Okay, well guess what? I've got one more video of ornaments. And then I do have a journal to still share with you. And I wanted to let you know that Dollar Tree came out with their weekly planners already for 2024. So I picked mine up, and we'll be doing that in January. But I wanted to let you know in case you want to get one of those too, and then you can decorate with me. Okay, well thanks for joining me today. See you next time. Bye-bye.